Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to reserve a property in Airbnb app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on your screen you can see the option Explore at the bottom left corner, and at the top there's a search bar. Under search bar you can search where you are going, when you're going and who you're going with. Then app is going to suggest you a few properties to go to. Well, right below that you can see various categories. From there you can choose the property that you want to go to. I'm gonna choose this one. Now all you have to do is review the description given by the property. You can also see the reviews left by others. Now all you have to do is tap on reserve. Once you tap on reserve, you have to review the price details and dates, then add your payment details. Now see the requirements. If they have asked you for photo purposes or message, well, they are just asking for a message. I'm gonna tap in hi here, then tap on confirm and pay. And guys, that's it. That's how you reserve a property in Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.